She throwing pennies at the wishing well. Love her to death, but it's over, I gotta wish her well. She the reason the nigga think he might see a sale. I don't even tell her I'm leaving, I just send her some mail. I know your feelings hurt, but I ain't gotta deal with your Photoshop everything. How could I get the real picture? You did the demolition, I was trying to build with you. Gave you all of me, but somehow you needed to still venture. So do you and do him, cause when I come through, bitch, in that new M, followed by the 6, getting swallowed by the chicks, ice down, looking like I went lotto to the Knicks. You gon' regret it all. I moved on, baby, now a nigga better off. Can't wait to come through with my new bitch. Ass fat, red bottoms, blue wrists. Friend with a love, how a nigga jewels gliss. Tell how they looking at me, made improvements. So just hearing that, gotta know that he focused now. Really like the gated community at the open house. Great decor, usually equal open blouse. You open door, later on she open mouth. Real nigga shit, clowns they'll never understand when you spitting life lessons and it's coming from a man. Feel me?